Good morning, y'all. Nova's gonna be helping me today. She's coming together. All we gotta do is throw the bumper on. And today's video, we're gonna be getting the rest of the exhaust put on. Now where our downpipe connects to the cat, it works. But cat back, the rest of our exhaust, we're gonna need them to like weld it onto our cat, because it's the catalytic converter has got 3 bolts, one up top, one down low, and another one on the other side. But the ones I got, they only got 2 bolt parts on the sides. So hopefully you'll be able to match it up. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about real quick. Oh, where's it at? Oh, right there. You can see there's 1, 2, and then there's one up top. But I only have the side ones on the cat back. And this is why our exhaust has always been so loud, because right back here, it's just chopped. It's chopped off. But yeah, the muffler should be fine. I sat it under here the other day and it looked like it's gonna fit in these hangers just fine. And I was gonna do it myself, but like I said, the cat back part is like need to be welded. I think I just heard Nova bark. Nova! Trying to make the video, but I think I hear Nova barking in a different yard. And he ain't coming when I'm calling him. Anywho, muffler should work. I don't know if my dad wants to throw the bumper on. We probably should, so they could fit it properly. Last piece and we're outie. Can't wait to hear it. I'll record a little bit while we're like pulling out and leaving to show how it sounds now. But I don't think I'll do that until we're throwing the bumper on. Check these guys out here. Get these at Walmart for I think, shoot, $9-10. Monster's been coming out with some cool stuff, man. I don't know if you guys know, like this kind of Monster with that emblem. They make a lot of RGB lighting stuff, and it's pretty cool. I'll show you. Oh, this guy comes with this little user manual, you know, how to use it, and a charger for these guys. I don't know how. I don't know if they're waterproof or not, but I'm sure, you know, they can't be sitting in water for too long. Far down the charger port is. But these guys, you just hold them to turn them on, and then once they're on, you just click them. And they got like a pulsing version. And after the pulsing, you keep going, 2 more, boom. Now it's the multicolor. So it'll just change in between. Dang, this little center console's dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. We're gonna be doing a detailing soon, guys. Like, check out this carpet. Yuck. And the seats are alright. I mean, I've seen worse, but they're still nasty. We're gonna detail this puppy real good. But yeah, these guys light up at night when they hit, like, when they have motion. You're supposed to have that daylight sensor right there. Well, we're off. Waiting for Dad to turn around. Let's go get this exhaust installed. She loud as hell. Doing a quick vid. He's getting there. Sweet. Cool. Nova's in the truck because he's a bad boy. You guys need anything done in Colorado? Intermountain Radiator Muffler. They're the guys to go to. They do it right. Get the job done. You guys can see big selection of stuff. And these guys always have good prices. They're not trying to screw anyone or get all their money out their pocket. Been here for a long time.
At least 40 years.
Yeah, at least 40 years, my dad says. I'm surprised they don't have a established sticker. But yeah, they're fabbing it up. We cut our old cat and got the flange bolt parts, and he's welding it onto our high flow cat. So we'll be able to put the high flow cat on. And yeah, we didn't have some of the gaskets to the exhaust because that's eBay for you. We thought we had them, but we double checked and they were my downpipe gasket, well, my coupe. But yeah, I'll record just tidbits. I don't know, just leave these guys be, let them get it done. So long, old exhaust. Look at our little paint job. We were gonna keep her. We said, get her out of there. Come on over. He's mad right now because we threw him in the truck and he's not listening. I told you, these guys do a good job every time. She's sitting in there now, looking good. I'm glad they got the cat figured out for us. And the headers they're like this, like that. And our back pipe is straight as can be. They fixed it. Hey Nova, they fixed it, huh? Being a crybaby, Nova? You in trouble? See if I can get it starting. Woo! Now all we need to do is put on those wheel wells. Oh yeah, and paint that right there. Sweet.
I didn't even hear it sound.
Alright.
That's quiet. Sounds good. It looks good. I like it. Yeah.
There she is, y'all. All done. But not this, we gotta do more.
More dressing up. Definitely gotta get the hood.
Yeah, more dressing up, clean the hood.
I got it.
Put the faceplate on. We're good to go. Oh yeah. Still ain't no check engine light. No check engine light, she's shifting smooth. Sounds good too. Definitely accelerates a little quicker. You know, these Force Phillies ain't race cars unless you put a turbo on them. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Better than the open exhaust.